for joining me. Today is a very special Thirsty Thursday. It happens to be my wife's birthday, so happy birthday, babe. And this isn't necessarily her favorite drink, but she orders it a lot when we go out, so I'm going to make Sex on the Beach. And it's a silly name. It turns some heads once people order it. And nobody really knows where it got its name from. I mean, some people believe that a bartender combined a fuzzy navel with a Cape Codder, and that's how they got it. So our spirit going into our Sex on the Beach is vodka. And also we're going to use peach schnapps, which is kind of cool. And we're also going to need orange juice and cranberry juice. And you're going to need ice, a shaker, and a glass to put it in. So, the first thing we're going to do is grab our shaker. Shaker, shaker, shaker. We're going to put ice in it. Not crazy amount, because we're pouring it into the drink. Pretty sure I washed my hands. Alrighty, then we're going to put 1.5 ounces of vodka. Might need one in the future. About 1.5 ounces, sure. And we're going to do 1/2 of an ounce of peach schnapps, just to get the flavor. We're going to do 1.5 ounces orange juice. It's going to be that. And 1.5 ounces of cranberry. It's actually easy to remember. 1/2 ounce of peach and then 1.5 ounces for the rest. And that's that. I'm going to shake this bad boy up. Beautiful. Right, now we get that all mixed up, we're going to take our glass. Typically this is served in a highball glass, but I'm a big fan of mason jars. So we are going to be super classy today. Drink this out of a mason jar. Fill that with ice. One more shake of good luck. Fill that bad boy right up. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. This is pretty. Cool, it's pink. Just like no one watches me drinking this. And then we're going to, in case it's raining on that there beach, we need a little umbrella. Oops, oh, that's a broken umbrella. It's about it at Walmart. There it is. All right, enough of that. Well, close enough. There we go, and straw. And there we have it. Sex on the beach. Mmm. Yes, that is delicious. You can't even taste the vodka in it. I can see getting hammered off of these. So like I said again, today's my wife's birthday, and this is a drink that she enjoys and orders out a lot, so I'm going to make this for her. She doesn't know yet. It's a surprise. She's probably not even going to watch this video. But there we have it. All right. We've got our Sex on the Beach. Which is yummy. I mentioned today's my wife's birthday, so happy birthday again, babe. And I figure maybe we'll just sing a little bit of happy birthday. If I can remember how it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, pretty mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, pretty mama. Happy birthday.